What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Just out in the garden this morning, fam. Just out in the garden this morning, y'all. Hope all is well with everybody. Fam, I was just out here and I was thinking about how the garden offers many life lessons, family. The garden offers many life lessons. Beautiful yellow squash. Yeah, the garden offers many life lessons, y'all. You know, when you're gardening, there are no guarantees, fam. There are no guarantees when we're gardening out here. We have ups, we have downs, we have successes, we have failures. And a lot of times on these videos, we don't share our failures, y'all. Nah, we don't share our failures. We just only want to talk about the successes. And the reality is, fam, that's not life. Oh no, that's not life. Life is filled with ups and downs, y'all. So I really wanted to share with the family these tomatoes. My tomato patch back here. You know, I came out a few days ago and had some plants that had wilted really bad, fam. I came out this morning and I found another tomato plant wilted really bad. Check it out, fam. This is actually a tomato plant that I had harvested tomatoes off of. A couple of days ago, it looked great. But look at it now. I recognize that to be a fungus attacking that plant, fam. So just as I did with the other plants, as you can see here, I replaced them. I replaced the soil around them. Also amended the soil actually with lime. I'm gonna actually do the same thing with that tomato plant. And I'm gonna keep it moving. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving, y'all. Oh yeah. But it's the same way with life. Life is filled with ups and downs, y'all. But we have to keep it moving. You know, fam, most successful people can share a long list of failures they had before you see them in their Maserati or McLaren or Lamborghini or what have you. Most successful people can share a long line of failures, y'all. But one thing that most of them have in common, they never give up. They keep pushing. It's the same way in the garden. Same way in the garden. Oh yeah. Check it out, fam. It's a spineless okra, y'all. Spineless okra. Oh yeah. So that's it, fam. I just wanted to encourage the family to just keep moving on. We don't operate in the spirit of fear. We plan, we prepare, we stay physically and mentally fit, and we take decisive action when needed, fam. Oh yeah, we take decisive action when needed. So I want to just thank everybody for their support. I want to thank everybody for rocking with me. But as always, fam, you know I can't be alone out in this garden, y'all. I can't be alone out in this garden. Oh no. Never alone, y'all. Never alone. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Black Guns and Gardens out.